To classify the stages of the hurricane, all you have to do is simply click on this little chevron button down here and then choose the stage that we're looking at. So we have the couple of storms that precede a hurricane, tropical depression, tropical storm. We also have the extratropical storms, kind of being the tail end of hurricanes, and each one of uh, the classifications for the hurricane, the strength of a hurricane that you can select. So whichever one you want to select, you just click on it. I can just run through and select all of those as they apply based on the information. To graph the air pressure and wind speed data, it's actually very simple. We highlight both of those columns, click on the Insert Chart button. It will auto-generate a chart. It's not exactly what we want, so we go over here to Chart Type, and we select instead Scatter Chart, and that will give us a chart that looks like this. We'll see we have air pressure down here, wind speed up here, and what we want to do then is come to Customize, click on Series, and scroll down here where it says Trend Line. We're going to click Trend Line, and that line demonstrates the relationship between wind speed and air pressure. To create your map, you have two options to start. Either you can go to your drive, click on New, go to More, and then choose Google My Maps, or follow the link that was provided that will take you to the My Maps page and you hit Create New. Your map is going to look something like this, very generic. You will have to give it a name. So I gave it the name Hurricane Katrina Best Track Positions. Preferably something similar to that would be best. Then we go over here to Import, and we are going to import the data from Drive where you've done the rest of your data analysis. So we can just search for it real quick. Have that. Then it's going to ask us how to position our place marks. And so we have latitude and longitude in here. We can click them and it will ask if that represents latitude or longitude. So we're going to say latitude is latitude, longitude is longitude. We continue. And then we want to give a title. So our best title is the date and time, because that will tell us right away kind of when and where things are happening. And then we hit finish. And once everything loads up here, we have our path. We can also change the base map, which is the map that's underneath. The best image, in my opinion, is probably your satellite image. It gives you the clearest distinction about what's going on. You can then click on any of these individual points to get all the information um, that's included in our data.